lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and today's video is another telling what I'm selling. I've been selling again, and my customer is from, of course, Facebook Marketplace. For those of you that don't know and you're stumbling on my channel, this video for the first time, I have a side hustle where I take anything lying around my home and I sell it on buy-sell sites such as Kijiji, Let Go, or Facebook Marketplace. But I do very well on Facebook Marketplace. So in these videos, I'm gonna let you know what site the item was listed that the customer contacted me through. I'm gonna let you know what the item is, the price that I'm selling it for. I'm gonna tell you the reason why I'm selling. And if I bought something, I'll show you what I did with the money. So this customer is actually purchasing quite a few things from me. The first thing that she's purchasing are these two, what are they? They're by CoverGirl and they're called lip lavas. They're very pretty colors. Let me just show you. This red one, it's called, what? I can't even read it. It is so small. It's tiny, but it's a beautiful red. Not gonna swatch it because I'm selling it to her. And this one is a nice like champagne-y color or nude. I listed these two items for $3 each, but I said if you take both of them, you can get them for $5. I like to give little deals and things. The next item is a Beauty Treats Velvet Matte Lipstick. And what's the shade? It's in color 04. It's a pink. I'm not gonna open it because it's sealed. I never used it, but it's a bright pink. And I'm selling this for $2. This item here, it's a Maybelline Color Tattoo Pure Pigments, and it's in the shade Brash Blue. It's sealed. I've never used it, and I'm selling this for $5. This one is by L'Oreal. It's a color Infallible, and it's in the shade Time Resist White. I never used it. I'll just show you what it looks like. This probably would look good in like the inner tear duct or something, but selling it for $5. This next one is a BH Cosmetic Liquid Lipstick in the shade, I think it might be Endora. I'm not even sure, like, doesn't even say, but it's like a pale pink. This is by, Revolution, and it's a Salvation Velvet Lip Lacquer, and it's in the shade Velvet Blackheart. It's quite a dark color. This is super old, by Wet n Wild. Do you remember the trios? This is Silent Treatment. Ouch. That's what it looks like. Selling it for $2. This is a package of glitters. Like you could use it for nail art. It has for a 12 very cute colors. And I'm selling it for $5. The reason that I'm selling these, I've never used them before. They've been sitting around my home for quite some time, so I don't think I'm ever going to use them. Same with this, like, I don't even know why I bought it. I just like to buy things and I never use them, so that's the reason that I'm selling these. And this too, I never used it, don't have a desire to use it. This, I pretty much just only use that shadow a few times. That's it. I won't ever use it. So that's the reason that I'm selling. I have a question for you though. Would you have sold any of those items? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see that. And do you also think that the prices were fair? Would you have sold them for less or more? Those are all of the items that she's buying. She offered me $25 for all of them. I took it. If you're any good at math, I mean, you would have realized that that's more than $25. for the amount that I listed them at, but I don't care, I just want to get rid of them. So I'll definitely take the $25. So that's everything that I have to say. I don't have any plans on buying anything. Oh, I do. Click the notification bell if you haven't done so already so that you don't miss any of my videos. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that as well. If you like my selling videos, give me a thumbs up and let me know. Thank you very much, my lovelies, for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!